Hi, today we are discussing about the rank function over function. If suppose here we are having employee table, in this we are having select if we are giving select star from employees, you will get all the employees data. Now I want the sum of salaries of this employee table. We go with the function is called select sum of salaries from employee. So you're getting here the total salary is 7,636. So we need to have here employee's name and first name, salary, department ID. If we given like this, employee ID, first name, salary, department ID from employees, it gives only those data. So here if I given the sum of salary here, it gives an error. Why? Because the sum is the function of aggregation function. This aggregation function will not give the result for non-group single group functions. These are single group functions, so it will not give the results for these single group functions. How can we know the sum of salaries with this employee ID, first name, salary, department ID? We go with the function is called as over function. So here we are giving select employee ID, first name, salary, department ID, sum of salary over from employees. If I executed this one, we will get the result like this. The Stephen is having the salary is 29,700. His department ID is 90. The over 107 records sum of salary is 7 lakhs 636. In the 7 lakhs 636, he is getting 29,700, 1,700, 17,000, sorry, 17,000, 17,000. Like that, we are getting. If we want to go with the department ID, in department level, how much salary we are giving, and for that salary, how much they are getting, we go with the class is called as sorry we will go with the function is called as over function. So we need to here group these 90 employee IDs then so how many employees are there, we have to group them. So here in over function, the group by is replaced with the partition by. What is that? Partition by. Okay, here we are giving employee ID, first name, salary, department ID, sum of salary over. Here we are what we have to group by. We have to group by department ID. For that we are giving here partition by department ID, comma sum of salary. This over is gives overall salary from employees. If I executed here, we get the result is select employee ID, here employee ID, first name, salary of the employee, department ID, we are getting the department ID, the overall sum of salary of over partition by department ID. So the 10 department is I give having 4,400 and the total salary is 70,000 7 lakhs is 36. So in this we are having department ID only one department. So here we are having two departments, two employees in this department 20, that they are 13,000 and 6,000. 13 plus 6 is 19. We are getting here 19,000 for this records. This is total salary. This can be done by using like this. So if you want to give the rank, if we want to give the rank, we go with the rank function. We go with the rank function is called as if we go with the rank function here, the rank function gives ranking for our salary column. So if we are having greater salary, that we have to give the rank one. We will go with the rank function like this: select employee ID, first name, email, phone number, salary, department ID, rank. So rank over So here order by salary, descending order. So if you want to get the salary in descending order or ascending order, we go with the function is called as order by method. Here order by gives uh, ascending or descending. The salary here one, two, two. So why we are getting two, two? Here we are getting 17,000, 17,000. The same salary is getting for Nina and Lex. That's why it is giving the rank is 2, 2. Actually, if we go with the counting one, two, three, this is fourth record. So these are same salaries we are getting. So we go with the 4. Like that, it is skipping the rank 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. If we want to get instead of 4 here, we go with 3 by using the method is called as dense rank method. What is that? Dense rank method. This also we have the rank method is having the syntax is ranking method. Here select employee. The dense rank is having dense underscore rank. Dense underscore rank. Select employee ID, first name, email, phone number, salary, department ID, dense rank over which column we want to give the rank, we have to give with the ranks is salary column. So we go with the order by salary rank. This is the keyword rank. So sorry, this is an alias for this total uh, method. We are giving alias is rank. So whatever we are getting, that we are the result will be come under this rank. This one is a rank. So from employees, if we executed this one, what we will get, let's see. Here select employee id. Now id we are getting, and first name we are getting first name, and email we are getting email, phone number, phone number, and salary, salary, department ID, department ID. The dense rank over order by salary. So we are giving nothing here given. Here not given ascending order or descending order. By default, it takes ascending order. So the lowest salary will come first. Earlier we have seen in the above query, we are getting the salary in descending order. But here we are getting the salary in ascending order. So the employed 132 is having 2100. Here we are having 2200. Here 127 is having 2400, and 135 also having 2400. 122, the rank is 33 and 4. Like the same salary candidates we are getting 444. These can be seen in our MSET ranks and other ranks also we can see. So if we go with the rank function, rank function, we will get only, we are skipping the ranks. But in the dense rank, we are not skipping the ranks. Look here, we are getting dense rank. So like this, we are giving the rank for the functions. For example, we go with this one. So here, in the dense rank, if you are giving descending order, the output will get like this. Steven 1, 1700, 1700, 2, 2, and next to 3. If we see here for rank function, the same output will get here also, but the ranking is different. Here we are getting 4, but in the dense rank, we are getting 3. So, if we want to give row numbers, so how many rows? The row number is commonly used for primary, like primary key. So the row number will not duplicated. So here, if we give row number with the over function only, select employee ID, first name, email, phone number. You are giving all the attributes, comma, row number function, like rank function, we are having row number function over. order by salary descending. This all things will come under no underscore ties. No underscore ties means no duplication from employees. If we execute it like this, we will get employee id, first name, email, phone number, hire date, salary, department ID. This all the row number we what will give? This gives serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So the row number function will come like this: row number over order by our column. Which column we want to order? We want to give the order for the salary. Salary descending order. We will getting descending order. Uh, that alias is given for no ties. So that name is the no ties from employees. Like this, we are getting total 107 records. We are getting. Okay. Next, we go with the function is called as select employee ID, first name, email, phone number, hire date. Okay.